Hey everyone, this is Sanjeev welcoming you all to second session of Muay Thai leg workout. We have received few suggestions from our previous videos on this Muay Thai leg workout that to have 5 to 6 workout in one session. It's because it's becoming slightly difficult for the beginners or for the newcomers who are starting these exercises. So it's becoming difficult to them to remember all the 8 steps. Okay, so that's why you are going to have only 5 exercises in today's session. Okay, so again in today's sessions we will be learning how to improve our switch movements, okay, our fighting stance, our kicking power, especially on thrust kick. Okay, then how to escape when someone is doing sweep kick to you. Okay, and our agility. So agility means hopping front and back, okay, taking a side step, so and attacking someone while you are blocking a roundhouse kick, so those kind of things. So that is going to really help you when you are playing matches. Okay, with that, these exercises are not only meant for martial art interested people. Okay, it's also going to helpful for them who all are want to weight loss or want to keep themselves stay fit for longer period of time. Okay, so then with that, let's begin today's second session of Muay Thai leg workout. So guys, the first exercise in our second session of Muay Thai leg workout will be single leg jump or switch jump. Okay, so in this you take a guard, okay, guard, fighting stance guard. From here you jump one leg. Okay, so what is the use of this exercise? So mostly in Muay Thai we have a lower kick or we have a sweep kick. Okay, so sweep kick will be from here, so it will be to your feet. This exercise or this single leg help us to escape from that kick. So suppose you are like in the fighting stance, okay, so someone try to kick you, so you can jump this side or this side. Okay, again with changing stance you can also attack. Okay, so you are here, so change. Okay, suppose attack, change, you go for a thrust kick. Okay, again from here you can go for a roundhouse kick. Okay, so now we'll see how to do it. So I'll do 50 times of this. Okay, so now we will move to our second workout, that is hop and knee. Okay, so this exercise helps to move your hip and to make your knee more sharper and for going up. Okay, again you take a fighting stance. Okay, from here you start hop, then you go for a knee. Okay, so now I'll start doing the drill. So guys, our third exercise is going to be single leg thrust kick. Okay, so this workout is going to help you improve your single leg stance and give more power while you are doing a thrust kick. Okay, so mostly you do thrust kick how? Okay, so from your stance you throw your power from your hip. Okay, so this exercise you are going to do the same thing but bit slowly. Okay, so that you can get more and more stretch on your hamstrings, right? So let's start. Once I'll show sideways. So guys, that was single leg thrust kick. So now our next workout will be hop and thrust kick. You have to hop front and back. With that you have to launch your thrust kick. So again, you take your stance from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 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 3, 4, 5. So once from sideway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So what is the use of this one? So while you are in fight or you are practicing in matches, so you can from here you give a thrust kick, okay? But again, suppose your opponent is far, so you can from here you can jump thrust kick, okay? So from here you can jump thrust kick, okay? Or you can switch thrust kick. Okay, so that was hop and thrust kick. So guys, the last workout is going to be duck and ground kick. Okay, this drill is going to help you missing or escaping from hook punch. Okay, so hook punch is like this. So when hook punch comes, you just duck, then you go for a ground kick. This is a slightly difficult workout, okay, but with the practice and with the time you will become better with this. Okay, so let's try it. So guys, so this is how to duck, and with the same thing how you can go for a surprise attack. So guys, that's it for today on Muay Thai leg workout session 2. Okay, please try these workouts. Okay, these all are going to keep you stay fit and stay healthy for longer period of time. Okay, but we'll recommend before you coming for the second session of these leg workouts, please watch our first session of Muay Thai leg workout as well as try those workouts, because these workouts designed step by step. Okay, you can't come directly and start doing the second session of workout. Okay, yeah, so that's it from today, and we'll meet again with some more excited workouts in our next session. So till then, stay safe and stay healthy, and do watch our channel and please subscribe as well. So thanks.